Hello from Mouse Castle, where it's colder, definitely colder, and I just thought I'd show you the garden. So let's go and do that. This is all quite new. Here we are. Mouse Castle. This is me at the moment, but this is what I want to show you. We've got loads of... I'm going to turn it around actually. We've got loads of leaves piling up for the compost. Loads and loads and loads of leaves. Thanks James for helping out with that. Fantastic. And these are the planted up geraniums that Emily helped with. Fantastic again. You've got this monster plant that is really going to be replaced by a bird table. And in the meantime we've got 2 dustbin lids as bird tables, but usually they're full of water. I'm going to do something about that now. We've got loads of ivy, some of it coming out, and these trees which were sort of smothered in ivy coming out again too. Lovely silver birch, loads and loads of leaves. Let's hope it makes compost. And then looking back here, noises from Hong Avenue. These are the trees at the moment, the box trees, and we've still got a tomato coming out. And the tomatoes seem very happy down here, even though it's really the end of the season already. We'll see how far they get. There's a pepper plant grown from seed. Some rather exotic bright pink plants, I can't remember, I think they're Corlus. So this is what we want to do. And we've got daisies from Robin and some reduced Sweet Williams. We've got some weeds there from self-seeding. Some more tomato plants. This gorgeous rose. It's like music really. You go higher and higher in the notes. Then we've got the dog rose berries. Got jasmine quietly doing its own thing there. New arrival. A new bird bath. I hope this is working. Agapanthus box salvia, which got very dry and is now coming back. They're very luscious, these agapanthus leaves. Very gorgeous. So there we are. That is the garden today. It's the garden today on the first Saturday in autumn, and we're going to really try. Some neighbour coming past. We're going to really try. Oh, thank you very much, making a start.
Yeah,
We've got some I'm doing a vlog.
God bless.
And you.
Very nice.
Aww. I'll
Always a happiness.
Oh, what a sweet thing to say. And the same to you. And the same to you.
I will be very happy if you come to my country, in Egypt, and I will be your guide.
Thank you very much.
You look gorgeous. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you. Have a good time. Take care. Bye. Well, that's the garden blessed. How nice. Amazing. So, I think probably what I'm going to do now is get the leaves out of the bags. And if we made more use of leaves that are taken away as rubbish, our gardens would be better for it, wouldn't they? It's only something I realised this year, so I'm going to get to it.